Risk factors of STDs. Now, how HIV affects the immune system. Immediately after infection, people often suffer mild flu like symptoms. These symptoms pass, and for a period of time, infected people might not know that they are infected. The virus infects a certain type of lymphocyte of the body's immune system. Naturally, lymphocytes seek out and destroy pathogens that enter the body. Now, however, HIV avoids being recognized and destroyed by lymphocytes. It then infects a certain type of lymphocyte and uses the cell's machinery to multiply. This reduces the number of lymphocytes and the number of antibodies. This decreases one body's ability to fight off infections and eventually leads to AIDS. Now, the spread of STIs such as HIV are best controlled by limiting the number of sexual partners, not having unprotected sex, and getting tested regularly.